What she does,
she's a
man.
sport. She's got this spoon and she's
Magic.
Oh my
Take
goodness.
your time, don't pull him too hard.
Okay, I'll just hold it here.
Keep chilling. It's easy on him. When you run, let him run. Pull on to him, you let him pop the run. Good job. That's a big fish,
I don't know
buddy.
if I can reel this in.
Yes, you can. Just take your time. When he pulls, let him pull. That's a big fish.
Oh,
Ease him to the top. Keep reeling him and keep pulling him up nice and easy. All right, Jennifer.
I mean, I was just
Keep
like
going,
my.
sweetie. Keep working it. Yeah, get over in there. Look over at the line right against the bottom of the foot. Look at the size of that! Oh! Oh God! Oh God! I don't believe it! Oh my God! Look at the size of that thing, honey! Jesus Lord have mercy! Oh, he wasn't going nowhere. Look at how good he was hooked.
Hey!
Y'all are eating fish for dinner tonight.
Well, we'll be back.
Alright. See how spooning is? It's like
Yeah, I mean, I felt it like it was.
fish on the screen. White plastic.
Oh,
wires.
what? This thing.
Yeah, it's just to hold the fish. We'll weigh it.
All right. Well, thank you for my meal, Mr. Fish.
So you get the gist of what you're. When
Yeah,
you're,
I mean,
when you're
it felt like
spooning, all of a sudden
it
it feels like you're on the
tight.
bottom.
Yeah.
Feels like you're on the
Like
bottom.
I snagged
But
the
you know
bottom.
you're not. But you know you're not on the bottom because you weren't. That's what you found on the bottom. Very good. Nice job.
That's beautiful.
So that's a hybrid?
This is a
All
hybrid.
right, I get to put a mark on the wall.
You sure do. Look at him.
Yeah, that's a good five and close to 5.
That's awesome.
$5.10. All right,
Awesome.
Jennifer.
Almost a
10
6-pounder.
ounces.
Nice.
5.8. 5.8. 5.5 pounds, sweetheart. Congratulations. Let's get a picture of it.
I got the whole thing's on film.
I know, I got it on video as well. I'm gonna take a picture. 5.5 pounder. Congratulations.
That is awesome.
She's a
She does this every time.
She's a
I
natural.
pull fish all the time.
Here, I don't know if I'm gonna reel it in. Yeah, you can. Did you see how when he pulls, don't pull
Just to pull
back.
back, just let him.
Yeah,
and then
leave
once
the
he
rod
starts
bent,
to,
let him pull.
and then once he
And then when he
starts,
stops pulling, just start
Reel
pulling him
him
in.
in.
But as soon as he turns and wants to run again,
Just
that's
let
the
it-
biggest mistake people make with big fish. When it turns and runs, they pull back. When it turns and runs,
Just let him-
the rod down and let him pull until he stops.
and then you can feel him when he's not.
And then
pulling.
when he stops pulling, you start pulling him back to the boat.
Yeah.
Because that's
Got it.
only 10-pound test on that rod. I think he's got 10, so it's not small line, but it's not enough to pull back against the fish to try.
Yeah.
All right.
Awesome. Let's just do that again.
You want to try and see your spoon. Sometimes you can't see it. It's don't ask me why. But what you want to do if you can't see it, walk back here and start spooning the line closer to the boat until you see it. And you get an idea where you're
Look at the fish coming. She's getting ready to catch another one. I don't know why it's not coming on the screen. All right, guys, we went out this afternoon. Windy. It's cold, but it wouldn't have been so cold if it wasn't for that wind. Michelle, how big was that fish you caught?
It was 5.5 pounds.
5.5 pounds. Unfortunately, Mark, we got shut out. We're knocking off a little early. Jennifer says it's just a little too cold out here with the wind, so we're tucked out here behind the island, and we're going to cut it off early. I said I'll make it up to them next trip. We'll go out with a little bit warmer weather, and till next time, guys.